Today we are gonna be making one of the easiest vegetable noodle soup recipes. A delicious soup with plenty of vibrant flavors, in just one pot. Let's start. Add a handful of noodles in a pan of boiling water. Add a teaspoon of salt, and cook until the noodles are 80% soft. Now remove and wash with cold water. Add 1 tablespoon cooking oil in a pan, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 small onion chopped, 2 red chili chopped, and sauté for a bit. Now add 1 small chopped carrot, half of a capsicum chopped, some cauliflower, 1 chopped tomato. Add salt according to your taste, a pinch of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and sauté for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, the noodles, and cook for about 10 minutes on low heat. Garnish with onion spring and parsley, and enjoy. This wholesome noodle soup is low-fat, healthy, and packed full of tasty ingredients. Try it and share your experience with us. Thanks for watching.